Is TapTap Send available in Canada? If you're in Canada and wondering whether TapTap Send is accessible, the answer is yes. TapTap Send is available in Canada. This makes it a convenient and affordable option for sending money locally or internationally. Whether you're supporting family abroad, paying friends, or handling business transactions, TapTap Send offers a user-friendly platform with low fees and secure transfers. To get started, simply download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, create an account, and link your bank account or card. The process is straightforward, allowing you to send money quickly and reliably. Plus, its reputation for strong encryption and compliance with financial regulations ensures your transactions are safe. While using the app, always follow best practices. Verify recipient details, use strong passwords, and ensure you're downloading the official app from trusted sources. Additionally, check for updates on supported countries and features to make the most of TapTap Send's services. In a nutshell, TapTap Send is available in Canada and provides a secure, cost-effective way to transfer money with ease. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.